A very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European Rundown for today, Wednesday the 10th of August. First of all, starting off with the FOMC rate decision, European participants reacting to that, and equity markets did initially open higher following the surge that we had on Wall Street in late trade after they said, or Bernanke suggested, that the low exceptional rates will be in place until around mid-2013. Looking forward though, in terms of the European session, it seems as though some risk-averse trade has started to seek into or leak into the market. We've seen particularly weakness in the Italian banks, so the FTSE MIB as well as the IBEX in Spain are both underperforming slightly, and French banks are also seen a little softer. We've heard of a meeting being called from Sarkozy, who's come back off a holiday to meet with various French officials, including the central bank head Noyer, to discuss the current market turmoil and its potential implications on that of France. The actual French German 10-year bond yield spread, that is the widest of those in Europe at the moment, so keep an eye there. However, the likes of Italy and Spain continue to tighten as we continue to hear reports of the ECB being back in the market, having reactivated that bond buying programme last week. In terms of looking forward then, in terms of the rest of the session, the Bank of England's quarterly inflation report will be next up and closely watched. Cables look a little weaker this morning in the currency markets. This has come as an expectation is that growth estimates for both this year and next year will be slashed by Mervyn King, the governor. And elsewhere in the currency markets, do note we've had some very excessive volatility in that of the Swiss franc. They've looked to temper some of the initial gains that we've seen over the last few days if we traded record lows in Euro Swiss. They have come out and added extra liquidity to the system. Did see around a 150 pip spike higher in Euro Swiss, however it has been swiftly retraced. But definitely keep an eye on dollar yen as well at the moment as we trade under last week's intervention levels down at session lows at the moment. That pretty much concludes the opening European wrap. We'll have another update for you at the cash equity close this afternoon, and we'll also as well be looking out later on to bear in mind from the US fixed income, we do have the 10-year note auction. That's it from me, so enjoy your trading day.